Hello YouTube, Master Moose here. I had my gun out and I was cleaning it and I figured why not make a video. Just finished painting my targets.
What?
And we'll see. Alright. So you're gonna need some basic tools here. You're gonna need Q-tips. I use rim oil, some solvent and lube, a cleaning rod. You can pick these up at Walmart for about $6 or so. Some gun pads, or Schwabs, or whatever you want to call them, and then a wire brush and a plastic brush, 22 caliber, to clean your Mossberg. And I just realized I don't have a screwdriver. Alright guys, I'm back. Phillips head screwdriver. That's the other thing you need. Just you'll have your two screws right here and here. Unscrew them. Regular, just counterclockwise. Threads, unscrew. I already unscrewed them and my camera died, so then remove your stock from your gun, set it aside. You won't be needing it. You'll have your two screws, and now you have two pins, one here and one here. Just push them out with the screws. Probably not recommended, but I do and it works fine. Alright, so you'll have your two screws and two pins. And then now, the somewhat tricky part, removing your lower receiver from your upper receiver. You're going to want to pull your bolt back and hold it backwards and just kind of let the bottom receiver slide out. Alright, then I have my bed, triangle thing, kind of fits in back here, and let your bolt come for you. Alright, so you'll have your upper receiver, your lower receiver, safety came off, your triangle thing, your bolt, your spring, your follower, and your actual bolt, your charging handle, etc. So now basically how I like to start it is you take one of these little guys, and I gotta go get a knife, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I got scissors instead of a knife, but anyway, when you're cleaning low calibers like a 22, you aren't gonna need a full cleaning cloth, whatever you want to call them. So cut that in half. Now for starters, I just like to spray a little bit of rim oil into the inside of my chamber, and it's really dirty in there, so I'm gonna go grab, I think I need to go grab some paper towels. Hell, I'll just use these swabs. Do swabs sound like a good idea, Lex?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I'll just...
Except if they don't.
What?
If they don't work, don't use them.
No, they work fine.
Well, then use them.
I just got to use a lot of them. Right. Just give it a minor swabbing, 2 or whatever. Then you're going to want to take your cleaning rod. Make sure it has a spinnable handle, otherwise you can mess up your rifling. Take your 22 holder, cloth holder I guess call it. You're going to want to run one wet one through, and then you're going to want to scrape it with your barrel brush, and then you're going to want to rub one dry one through. Turn it. Alright. Clean your rod. Make sure you have grasp of the handle here. Otherwise, I've said it before, you can mess up your rifling. So you've run your wet swab through and got your barrel lubed up nicely. Now take your wire brush, screw it onto your handle, spray it with a little bit of solvent. Brush your barrel until you think it's about clean. Remove your wire brush. Don't let it fall through the center of the table. And take a dry pad and send her on through. You should get a lot of stuff on this one compared to the first one, and you'll want to do that a couple of times until your barrel runs clean. And I guess I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me do that over and over again. It's like watching paint dry, so I guess I'll start working on the bolt. Here you just take one of your barrel cleaning swabs, or whatever you want to call them. Cut one in half. A little bit of rim oil on the bolt. Give it a few little wipe downs. Front face. Back. You'll get quite a bit. Then you'll want to